Welcome to the Bricks video on Researcher Authentication Service, or RAS. Today we will be covering the change from the traditional username password login to using RAS to log into your Bricks instance. We will learn how to log in using a smart card, how to log in and create an account for login.gov, and after successfully logging in using RAS, how to link your Bricks account to your RAS account. This change will require all users to follow a set of steps to log in or sign up for RAS and link your Bricks account to your RAS account. RAS supports these two identity providers, an acceptable smart card or an account with login.gov. Users with an active NIH or HHS account should use their smart card as the identity provider when logging in with RAS. Users without an acceptable smart card will need to use login.gov. If the user does not already have a login.gov account, they will need to create one and then select login.gov as the identity provider when logging in with RAS. Now we'll learn how to log in using your smart card. Navigate to your Bricks instance and select Login. You'll be taken to a page to select your login method, smart card or CAC, or login.gov. We'll select smart card or CAC. You'll be prompted to provide your certificate for authentication and provide your PIN. Now you have successfully signed into Bricks, so feel free to skip to the section to link your RAS and Bricks account. Now let's learn how to log in using login.gov. Navigate to your Bricks instance and select Login, then you'll be taken to the page to select your login method. Here, we'll select login.gov. If you already have a login.gov account, type in your credentials and log in. Now you have successfully signed into Bricks. Feel free to skip ahead to the Link Your RAS and Bricks Accounts section. If you do not already have a login.gov account, then here are the steps to create one. On the login.gov page, select Create an Account, and then fill out the information. You will receive an email to continue the sign-up process. Navigate to your email and click the link to set up your password. Here, you'll be required to set up multi-factor authentication to continue. You'll have to select at least 2 of the options from the list and follow the steps to set them up. After successful account creation, you can now log in using login.gov. Now let's look at linking your Bricks and RAS account. On your first login using RAS, you'll be required to consent to allow Bricks to use your information from your RAS account. Afterwards, you'll be taken to this page. Here you can either select to create a new account or search for an existing account. We'll select search for an existing account. Here, users will type their email or username that is associated with their Bricks account and click Continue Linking Account. Afterwards, you'll need to navigate to the email sent. If you have issues finding the email, then please do the following. Try waiting to see if the email comes. Check your spam folder for the email. Resend the verification email using the Resend Verification Email button. Ensure you entered the email or username correctly in the previous step. And lastly, if the other steps did not help, please contact your operations team for any additional help. After you've found the email, please click the link to verify that it is indeed your account and finish linking your account to RAS. You can click Continue to Workspace to go to your Bricks instance. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any issues linking your account, then please reach out to your operations team.